So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Optimism coin, ticker symbol OP in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you're here on Wealthsimple, make sure to go into your crypto account. Then once you're on your crypto account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, scroll down a little bit until you're greeted with the trending category screen. Press on crypto right here. Then once you're on this screen, just scroll down a little bit until you come across Optimism coin, ticker symbol OP. So it's right here, press on OP. Then to buy it, just press on buy at the bottom. Now to limit buy this, simply go to the top to where it says market buy and press on that, changing it over to limit buy. So by limit buying, you are choosing the highest price per coin you're willing to pay, your limit. Press on that. Then once you're in this screen, as you can tell, the OP price for me is $1.67. If I wanted to make my highest price $1.60, that's the highest price that I'm comfortable paying, or whatever the price may be. I simply just type in that value, then press on continue. Then on this screen, type in however much money you want to invest into Optimism. So I will just type in $3 for this example, then press on continue. Then to confirm your order, simply just press on confirm order. And then by the end of the day, if this price is ever met, at some point, it'll automatically fulfill this order. And there you go. That is how you guys can limit buy Optimism coin, ticker symbol OP in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.